Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon Influencer Program, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with the Amazon Influencer Program, start by visiting the official Amazon Influencer Program website. You'll need an Amazon account to proceed. If you don't have one, click on the Create Your Amazon Account button and fill in the required information. Once logged in, locate the Join the Amazon Influencer Program option. Click on it to begin the application process. Next, you'll be prompted to link your social media accounts. Choose the platforms where you have a following, such as Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. Make sure to use accounts that showcase your influence. After selecting your social media accounts, click Continue. Amazon will review your social media presence to assess your eligibility. This review process may take a few moments. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. Log into your Amazon account and visit the Influencer dashboard. Here, you can customize your storefront. Add products that reflect your niche and audience interests. Utilize the search bar to find products easily. Once you discover items you want to promote, click Add to My Storefront. You can arrange your storefront layout to enhance user experience. After setting it up, share your unique storefront link with your audience. Promote your storefront on your social media platforms. Monitor your performance through the Influencer dashboard. You can track clicks, sales, and commissions earned. Stay engaged with your audience to maximize your influence. Regularly update your storefront with new products to keep it fresh. Follow Amazon's guidelines to ensure a smooth experience. And that's how to register for the Amazon Influencer Program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.